What's up, guys? It's your favorite math teacher here. Today we're talking about qualitative graphs. You may see it as a qualitative function. They're also sometimes called time distance graphs. And so what they are is they're a graph that tells a story. So there's not necessarily going to be numbers. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a very simple graph like this. And so you need to remember that you are measuring the values. This is not a picture. Okay? Doesn't mean you're climbing up a hill, then you're on top of the hill and you go down, right? That's a big mistake that I find a lot of students do. And so with this, you're going to see a few different things. If your line is going up, that is a increase. So that means whatever the value is, right, it is increasing. If you have a flat part like this, that means it is constant. So generally with a constant, there's no change. And then, of course, when you go down, you have a decrease. And these could tell any sort of story. Maybe this is a bank account, right? So if you're thinking about a bank account has to do with money. If there is a increase, it is going up, that means you are having more money in your account, right? So over time, right? Over time, your amount of money is increasing. Maybe you're working, you're saving money, whatever it may be. And then when you hit that flat part, it's constant, right? Meaning you're not getting any more money, but time is still going up. And then lastly, you have a decrease, right? It's going down. Maybe you spent money and it's going down, so it's not always a story. Here I have time distance. So maybe I just wanted to walk to the gas station to get a drink, right? I want to go grab a Gatorade or something like that. So maybe this is a distance from home, right? So if the distance from home is increasing, that means I'm getting further from my house. So this increase right here would be me walking to QT or whatever gas station I'm going to. That constant, right, my distance isn't changing anymore. It's straight, but time is still going on. Because once you get to the gas station, you got to go inside, you got to grab your drink, you got to wait in line, you got to pay for it, and then you leave, and that takes time. But I'm not getting further from my house, I'm in the same spot. And then lastly, the decrease, because I am walking back home. So because I'm walking back home, that distance is getting shorter because I'm getting closer to my house until I am eventually home. So a qualitative graph is a graph that tells a story. It is not necessarily a picture. I didn't climb a hill to get to QT. I walked further away from my house to get there. I was in the gas station, and then I walked home.